How to fix TikTok cannot access effects. So if you're trying to use a particular effect within the TikTok platform, if you're having issues with it, the first thing that you need to ensure is that your device or your phone that you're using has at least 2 to 3 GB of free storage. If your phone does not have free storage left, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So make sure you clear out space and try to see if you can now access the effect. If this is not the case for you, you'll also need to ensure that is if your account is a business account or not. In certain situation, for copyright reasons, some effects would not be available if your account is a business account. So in this situation, what you can do is try to switch to a personal account or switch to a creator account. Now, if this is not the case for you, the other thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache of the TikTok application. So just head over to the 3 lines on the top right. Head over to settings and privacy. Once you're inside of the settings page, scroll down, head over to free up space, and right here you'll be able to see the option called cache. Just tap on the clear option, and once you complete this step, try to restart the application, which is closing the application of TikTok from your device and then again opening it up. Now once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the application. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.